How to add product to cart on Alibaba.com app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In order to add product to cart on Alibaba.com app, you just have to follow the steps. So before that, you have to go ahead and create your account in the Alibaba app so that you could go ahead and add the product to your cart. After which, if you already have an account, then you could always go ahead and check for an update. So for that, you want to head to the Play Store and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So on the search box, you want to type in Alibaba.com and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After which, you want to click the open button and then log into your Alibaba.com account. When you're logged in, that will take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. After which, what you want to do is go ahead and select the item that you want to go ahead and add it to cart. So for now, I'm just going to go with this particular earbuds. Then you could see there are a list of category. Now select the particular one that you want to go ahead and add it to your cart. If you're sure about it after you're done making changes with your information, or if you want to change the color or maybe some sort of information, you could find the size and all that right at the bottom. Go ahead and then change it according to your preferences. Only then add the product to your cart. So by tapping on add to cart, once you've done it, so it's gonna make it easy for you to actually go ahead and check it out. So make sure to go ahead and make changes with your information, such as if you're purchasing some item, then make sure to change the color if you don't like it so, or make sure to change the quality type, all that, and then click the add to cart button, after which it's already been added to the cart. So this is the way you add product to cart on Alibaba.com account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.